Hi, I'm Marie, and in the full tutorial of this vibrant maple leaf, I will teach you how to set up your palette and mix the various hues you'll need for this watercolour project. I provide an outline drawing and reference image to help you get going straight away with the painting, and we will also discuss the best materials to use for this type of project. I like to experiment with the various hues that I can achieve from the few colours on my palette so that I can create the deep, rich autumnal colours, and then show you how I manage to blend them into each other across the surface of my leaf, keeping the colours fresh and vibrant, so making sure that they don't become muddied or dull. Then I add enough detail to my leaf to ensure a natural, realistic finish, adding definition to the painting and really helping it to pop off the paper with lots of interesting detail. If you'd like to learn to paint like this, just click the link below to learn more about my step-by-step tutorials, and make sure that you like and subscribe so that you're able to receive more tips and technique videos that will be coming up. Then my favourite part of painting a subject like this is when I add a second layer and I'm able to really enhance and enrich the colours. And I can keep adding these layers until I'm happy with the depth and vibrancy of the colour on my leaf. And all this without the colours merging into each other too much and becoming dull. The aim is to keep your leaf looking really fresh and vibrant. When you sign up for my tutorials, you have instant access to this project, plus over 80 more full watercolour projects as well, and as much help as you need to hand. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and good luck on your watercolour journey. I'll see you for the next one.